At 20,000 feet, air turns to glass. Welcome to Siachen, the world's highest battlefield. For decades after the 1949 Karachi Agreement, this frozen wasteland was left unmarked beyond coordinate NJ842, assumed too hostile for any army. By the late 70s, Pakistan began oropolitics, authorizing foreign climbing expeditions to quietly establish territorial claims on the Saltoro Ridge. New Delhi noticed. Kol Narendra Bull Kumar led daring reconnaissance patrols into the glacier, confirming what India feared most. Pakistan was preparing to occupy the heights. If they did, they could dominate Ladakh and connect directly with Chinese-controlled Aksai Chin. Then came the breakthrough. India discovered Pakistan had ordered massive quantities of extreme cold weather gear from London. The race was on. Pakistan planned Operation Ababil for late April 1984. India had to strike first, and strike silently. Codenamed Operation Meghdoot, named after Kalidasa's Messenger of Clouds. Lieutenant General Premnath Hoon took command. The race was on. Troops from the Kumaon Regiment and Ladakh Scouts were chosen. Men hardened by mountain blood, ready to challenge human limits. Equipment was procured across Europe. Every crate flown secretly into Ladakh under radio silence. The first wave moved on foot across treacherous mountain routes, carrying 80-pound packs through unmapped glaciers. D-Day was set for April 13, 1984, by Saki. The IAF's rotor blades were about to make history. April 13th, dawn. Indian Air Force pilots flew into thin air where helicopters were never engineered to operate.
Hovering inches above unstable ice, soldiers leaped out. Sia La and Bilafan La were seized in a lightning preemptive strike.
By the time Pakistan launched Operation Ababil days later, the Indian tricolor was already flying on the dominating heights.
Pakistani troops arrived to find every strategic vantage point occupied. The tactical surprise was absolute. Fierce clashes erupted. Desperate assaults were launched to reclaim the passes, but the Saltoro Ridge held firm. In this high-altitude battle, Indian soldiers held the advantage, and Pakistani troops lost the battle in fierce combat. Securing the heights was only half the battle. Now began the long war against the deadliest enemy of all, nature.
80% of casualties here were not from enemy bullets, but from avalanches, frostbite, pulmonary edema, and sheer cold. Metal tore human skin on contact. Guns jammed in frozen grease. Rations turned into solid rocks of ice.
IAF pilots flew perilous daily sorties, dropping supplies, evacuating the critically ill from landing pads no bigger than a dining table.
Logistics defied imagination. Ropes, jerry cans, ammunition, and survival kits, hauled manually across endless vertical ascents. 3 years later, in 1987, Naib Subedar Bana Singh climbed a vertical 90-degree ice wall to capture the highest enemy bunker. That post was renamed Bana Top. His Paramveer Chakra sealed India's permanent tactical dominance over the glacier. Today, India controls all 76 kilometers of the Siachen Glacier and every major pass on the Saltoro Ridge. Operation Meghdoot secured the critical strategic wedge, denying adversaries a combined front overlooking Ladakh. 4 decades on, technology, habitat pods, and specialized nutrition have transformed high-altitude warfare. Yet beneath the strategy lies unmatched human courage. Thousands of soldiers who stood guard where ordinary men cannot breathe. A testament to silent grit. On the highest roof of the world, vigilance never sleeps.